Hello, I'm Henry Ramon, and I'm here with Fred Day, a lawyer and author in Fairfax County, Virginia. Today we're going to explore some of the facets of Fred's law practice that have made his work both memorable and enjoyable. Hey, Fred.
Hey, Henry, how you doing?
Great. Fred, you've been practicing law in Fairfax County for 20 years and have handled a lot of cases for clients. Are there any cases that stand out as being particularly memorable or instructive for you?
Henry, one of the cases that stands out in my mind arose out of a dog bite. One day I received a rather frantic call from a client. The story was that my client's boxer had chased a neighbor's dachshund, and in the process of the chase, the dachshund apparently suffered some injury. My client presented me with a bill for $7,000 from the veterinarian. What happened was that the neighbor had gone out and had surgery on the dachshund without consulting with my client. So when all was said and done, there was a veterinarian's bill that amounted to $7,000 for which the neighbor was seeking payment.
Wow, that's just crazy. $7,000 for surgery for a dog. You could buy a good used car for that.
Henry, funny that you should mention a car, because what I found out in the course of researching this matter was that under Virginia law, a dog or a cat is in fact the equivalent of an automobile. There is a section of the Virginia Code which states that dogs and cats are considered to be personal property, just like an automobile or perhaps a work of art.
What does that mean in practical terms?
What it means is that the case law that governs damage caused to an automobile in an accident, for example, also applies to injuries to a dog. The implication is that, as with damage to an automobile, the owner of an injured dog is held to either the cost of replacing the dog with a new dog or the cost of surgery, whichever is less.
How did it work out for your client's case?
The law gave us a lot of leverage in this case. We told the owner of the dachshund that $7,000 was clearly excessive, especially when he could go out and buy a new dachshund puppy for about $500. So we got that leverage, and with the benefit of the law, we were able to work out a settlement for a lot less than $7,000. So in fact, it worked out very well for my client.
You dodged a bullet on that one.
We did, Henry. We dodged a bullet. I'm so thankful there's that provision in law, and now I know.